Miraclon supplies printing plates into the packaging industry. Miraclon was a business division within Kodak, and Montagu bought us through an asset deal several years ago. It was a huge opportunity for us at the time. We were a division that was operating in this big company, and we had an opportunity to develop something that was truly unique. We have a razor blade type model. We sell equipment, and then we sell the aftermarket consumables into that equipment to all the printers. So we're able to set up the business in a very specific way to serve our customers with the right infrastructure, manufacturing and R&D operations. And Montagu was really helpful in our journey. We had a double challenge on day one. We didn't have any functions, so we had to run the business with TSAs, transitional service agreements. And we also had to at the same time set up the business with new processes and systems, and we didn't have any people. So Montagu helped us really a lot in this early phase with both helping to run the business with a project management office, and also setting up key consultants to help us build out the infrastructure and processes to run the business. Very clearly, we had to build all of what you would call classic functions: finance, HR, IT, supply chain, as we didn't have any of those within the new business. And that was an opportunity, but also a huge challenge. So Montagu helped with both finding over 100 people in order to staff the organization, helping us build the organization, and also at the same time find key C-suite talent to help us run the business. The most significant challenge for me was actually the culture change. Not only did we have to build the organization, but at the very beginning of the process we also had COVID, which means we couldn't travel. And we actually did the carve-out, including building the ERP and the supply chain completely remotely in what is a global business. And that required us to build an organization, and so we did a set of organizational designs, and then we had, which for me was foundational, is we had some help in setting up the culture and how we should drive the new culture in our new business. And Montagu brought all of those things to the table. We've evolved our FPP initiatives. In the very beginning, FPP was key for us, identifying the opportunities in the business that we have, and they were in areas that we knew that we could go after to improve value. So sales and service was one. We run a whole set of initiatives. ESG and sustainability was another core area, as well as new product. And we did a number of different projects to understand where we should drive real value. We did that with the FPP team. Today we've evolved quite significantly. Everything we learned initially with FPP we've now embedded completely in the business, but we're still today running the business in three kind of typical areas: business as usual, FPP, and which is our future plans to drive greater value, and then commercialization, which is all of our new products, because we're a high technology business.